Hey, what's up, boss babes and fellas? Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be reviewing Paula's Choice Clear Kit line. I'll be using these products for the next week, giving you my honest opinions about the first put on, any smells, how I felt about them, and of course, how my face looks after a week. Let's get into it. Now, I did post this on my Instagram stories just to see if any of my followers have used these products and what they would suggest or recommend before I used it on my face, and the company responded themselves. They basically were saying to use the number 2, which is Anti-redness exfoliating solution, and the number 3, which is daily skin clearing treatment, on 2 separate days, or use one in the morning and then use one in the PM. They said to go very slow, as you can see what they said. So that is what I did on my week process and using these products. So I used the number 1, which was the Pore normalizing cleanser. I used that every day for 7 days. The first put on was very smooth. It did not strip my skin. None of these products had any smell to them when I put them on my face, which I loved. So kudos to you all for that. It definitely was very, very light, and there was no stripping on my face. There was no drying or anything extra. It was very smooth, like a simple moisturizer. If I were to compare this to any other daily cleanser, I definitely would put it next to a Cetaphil. Cetaphil is very light, there's no extra stripping, very smooth on your skin, and it just feels amazing without any scent. And that is basically what this feels like. This is what I use every day when I used it with the anti-redness exfoliating or the daily skin clearing. Okay, so let's move on to the anti-redness exfoliating solution. If you hear anything of exfoliating creams or exfoliating wash, you think something to scrub your face, something to wash it. I was honestly surprised by the fact that this is all liquid with no kind of scrub effect. So when I poured it in my hand, as you can see, it threw me off for a second because it was just straight liquid, no kind of cream, no kind of exfoliating, like, you know, the little scrubs that you get with any other exfoliating solution. This was just straight liquid. So I poured it in my hand enough times just to rub it on my face. It didn't have any kind of cream to it. It was just straight liquid. So I just rubbed it on my face, nevertheless, all around. And I guess that is how it works. Clearly they know what they're doing for the most part, I guess. This was my least favorite out of the 3, mainly because it didn't match up to my expectations of what I was expecting, just by the feeling, not by what it has caused or not. My face afterwards still has some redness. This is just day 2 as I'm recording. I still have days left. I'll have a photo at the end of my 7 days so you all can see the beginning and the after. But right now we are on day 2 of this process. This is one of my least favorites. I know it's only 2 days, but if I just had to choose, it's my least favorite out of the 3. So last but not least, if you're not subscribed to my channel, what's good, what's poppin', go ahead and press the subscribe button. But if you are, hi and welcome back. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on another product review. Okay, so the last one is daily skin clearing treatment. This is my favorite. It goes on your skin smoothly. All of the products do, so I don't want to take that away from 1 or 2, but it has this very cooling and calming effect, which I love on any facial product that I use. So I love the fact that this brings all of that into the elements of clearing, calming your skin. I forgot to say this, but for the normalizing cleansing solution, it did have like a little burning tingle to my face. Nothing too crazy, so don't fear what I'm saying. Nothing like tea tree oil the first time you use it, but the cleanser did have a little tingle, just FYI, when you first put it on your face. It feels good after that. It's just a quick second that it catches you off guard, so nothing to be afraid of. But this one definitely was the one that I felt was really clarifying my skin. Now, they did say to use the anti-redness and the skin clearing treatment every other day or morning and PM, but I just did mine every other day because I wanted to know what it would look like after a week of use. They did say you'll see a reduction of breakouts overall and definitely some brighter and overall glowing skin. So this is what day 2 looks like already. You see I'm breaking out a little bit right here, which is why I'm loving to use this product. And I'm not going to record every day for the next 7 days like I did for my Tree of Life haul. If you didn't see that and you want some glowing skin, especially for the summertime, definitely check that video out. The link will be above. Stay tuned for day 7 and the final thoughts of these products. All right, so yes, I did the end at the beginning and the beginning at the end. We are at the end of 7 days of using these products. So I'm going to go ahead and put up the before and after. And you all let me know what you see from only 7 days of using these products. So of course, as the company stated, it will take a full 4 to 6 weeks to see a decrease in acne, but they did mention that you will probably see your skin glowing a little better, feeling a little bit more smooth, and that's how I feel. I've been traveling for the past month, so I have not been on my normal skincare routine, so it felt so good to use these products. All right, so my full thoughts on these products. The cleanser feels amazing on your skin. It reminds me of Cetaphil that I typically use in my skincare routine. Very smooth, not stripping your skin away, and it just feels like a nice daily cleanser that you can use morning and night. The anti-redness, which is number 2, wasn't really doing it for me. I get the point of it, but I just felt like it was an ointment on my skin, not really doing anything. Day 4, my face did get a little red. I'm not sure if it was bringing more redness up to then decrease, but it's still not my top out of the 3. It definitely is number 3 out of 3. My favorite product out of all 3 is the Daily Skin Clearing Treatment. Funny thing is, it's the smallest out of all 3. On the back of the instructions, it says to apply a thin layer on the affected area 3 times daily. It's interesting to me that they said to use 2 and 3 either in the morning or the night, and then or every other day. For someone like me who has light breakouts in these areas, and I do have a little bit of redness, I would do it every other day or morning and night. But I believe if you do have bad breakouts, in my opinion, okay, again, disclaimer, I'm not an esthetician or a dermatologist. This is just from my experience of using different skincare products. This line seems like it would be a great treatment for your skin, attacking those pores. The price point was great for all 3 of them and the sizes, and I would definitely say to use these products for 30 days consistently. For the most part, I just wanted to give you all my honest review on these products, as I do love skincare. I love trying new products on my skin. Thank you all for watching this review. Let me know your thoughts from my before and after. You can see a little bit of change and knowing that, okay, if I keep using these products for the next 4 to 6 weeks, attacking my acne, putting this treatment to work, it will definitely clear out your skin. And then from there, you'll be able to see what you need to do moving forward. All the details for these products will be in the description section. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you like my honest opinions and review of these products. And let me know if you all seen a change in my skin down in the comment section. Show some love, just say hi. Let me know what you think about this video. I'm in a different space, so I know the light is a little off and I do apologize. But I thank you for sticking with me for your own knowledge of what you want to do next with your skincare routine. I'll talk to you all in my next video. This is your girl, Lee Poitier. God bless you. Later.